Capital Gas Ship Management Corporation took successful delivery of the new building LNG carrier Aristos Trines, built by Hyundai Heavy Industries, South Korea. With cargo capacity of 174,000 m3, the vessel is highly efficient, propelled with XDF engines, and equipped with the latest available technologies. An oil vessel in distress ran aground off the coast, a few dozen meters from Réunion Island. A serious accident, as the island is being shaken by a strong tropical cyclone, Batsirai.
A chemical tanker crashes into waves over 10 meters high during a hurricane-force wind off the coast of Portugal. A powerful storm of this category can or severely damage a ship.
Summit LNG Terminal Co. has a concession from Petro Bangla, Bangladesh's state-owned company, and developed a floating LNG terminal facility comprising of a floating storage and regasification unit, FSRU, connected to shore by a 6-kilometer subsea pipeline.
A Russian tanker with fuel oil crashed in the Kerch Strait. One sailor died, and the rest of the crew were evacuated. The old ship was broken in half due to the strong waves during the storm. Thousands of tons of oil products ended up in the sea.
The 195-meter-long oil tanker was caught in a 12-point storm. The wind speed reaches 50 meters per second. A huge tanker goes underwater into the sea.
a large Greek chemical tanker has collided with giant waves in the North Sea. A storm of this magnitude may not happen often and is capable of damaging a vessel.
A tanker carrying petroleum products from the Cayman Islands with a displacement of 25,881 tons caught fire as a result of an explosion. There were a total of 25 people on board, but all of them were rescued. However, 11 sailors and 6 rescuers were injured, mostly from burns and smoke inhalation. An oil tanker was caught in a storm off the coast of Wales, which also affected the Bay of Biscay.
پشتش هم اصلا کنترل نداره.
Collision of an Iranian oil tanker and a dry cargo ship, Marco in the harbor.
تازه اومدن میخوان چیز بندازن.
Russian chemical tanker goes through a storm in the Black Sea. chemical tanker encountered a powerful storm on its way to New York. An oil tanker is experiencing a powerful Hurricane Sandy in the Sargasso Sea, a 12-point Beaufort storm. Drone footage showed the Solong and the Stena Immaculate floating in the North Sea after their collision. The Stena Immaculate was carrying 220,000 barrels of jet fuel for the U.S. Air Force when it was struck while stationary by the German-owned Solong on Monday morning.
Как, блядь, в фильме «Идеальный шторм». Волна вот такая вот.
A large cargo ship ran aground in Mauritius and broke apart, leading to a major oil spill. high seas in the middle of Atlantic Ocean in winter season. 12. Beaufort wind speed, hurricane, continuous rolling pitching. Vessel tried to proceed towards Canada with half a head, but 0 GPS speed, only drifting southerly.
This is the built-in memory.
The tanker for transportation of liquefied gas got into a storm.
हाँ है हाल है
The chemical tanker Blue Star ran aground off the coast of Spain. 2 tugboats were called for assistance, as a result of which the tanker was successfully towed to the port.
Sir, crane gaya, sir, crane gaya. Too much.
si boss. Nado si boss. Nado si boss. Nado si boss.
That's crazy. That just happened. That just happened. That's amazing. Oh my god. Look at that piece.
A cruise ship crashes into an iceberg and a burst of water erupts behind the ship. Sawyer Glacier in the Tracy Arm Fjord, Alaska.
Oh, that's gonna go. Keep watching. Keep watching.
There it is. Whoa, wow! Phenomenal. Big wall. So hold on.
Yeah, hold on is right.
Look at that mini tsunami.
Tidal wave.
Did you see that tsunami?
A tidal wave.
Oh, really? Whoa.
A huge glacier is splitting apart,
That
forming a
was
huge blue
huge.
ice wall. Anyone who has seen such beauty in person will not forget.
That was exciting.
It's coming. It's coming.
Yeah, hold on.
Closer than a quarter mile.
Wow, look at that pop up.
There's a shooter.
In Patagonia, the Perito Moreno Glacier just erupted in a spectacular ice collapse. On 2016 March 10th, 11, a massive ice bridge shattered, sending enormous chunks crashing into Lago Argentino with a thunderous roar, absolutely unreal. The sheer scale of it was breathtaking. That moment, the raw power of nature on full display, was something you have to see to believe.
What's that? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gonna crash. Oh my god.
Nature's collapse doesn't whisper. It comes with a roar.
Whoa. Whoa.
We better get out of here.
That's when you just keep your finger on the. That's all it is. That's what.
Wow. Hey, can you turn the boat to the right? Ooh, look at that moon. Yeah. Look, wow.
I'm getting closer than a quarter mile.
Wow, look at that pop up.
There's a shooter.
Man, wow, man. Holy crap! Danger, danger, danger! Holy crap!
Incredible footage of glaciers melting and making waves, taken from an expedition vessel in Antarctica.
Oh my God.
Here it goes.
It's a polar pulper.
I thought the Red October was coming up this.
So popper is when you have a bit of an iceberg break off from underneath and it comes up and just out of nowhere and goes pops. Which is why you will never get close to the foot of an iceberg because you can get one without knowing it's coming. They go right miles.
Move.
Claudia, move away, move away, move away.
Воду я докачать.
Mira acá. Puedes
Oh! El bote va, pero rajado. ¡No! Acá viene el otro bote. Ahí hay uno y acá el otro. Alcanzamos justo. ¿Sí estoy filmando?
No, yo te digo.
Ah.
yo estoy filmando, no sé si algo te vio.
¡Ay! Viene.
Viene.
Got it.
It's gonna be a big one, I think. Oh, look at this. Oh, holy.
This is the John Hopkins Glacier calving. A calving this size has not been seen for over 30 years. This was observed from our cabin balcony on the yacht Island Princess.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh my God!
Oh man. Whoa.
I had it on video.
Here we go again. Here we go again.
Another one. Holy crap! Wow. Bananas.
No, it's just ice.
That was dumb.
Well, I don't have a sense of humor, so I have to do what I can.
Oh, wall's going. Oh,
Wow.
gosh.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding?
Oh, quit saying you're processing and shoot pictures of you. From the top to the bottom.
There it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. Best of all.
Me encantan los turistas.
Acá fue la última vez que se comió un niñito. Ahí está. ¡Poquita! Venga para acá. ¡Ey!
Esto es una foca leopardo. Totalmente diferente a un lobo marino como el de las costas de Chile. Claro. Normalmente había... Cuidado con... Cuidado con las manitos.
Qué hermoso el hielo azul.
Acá está bien.
Venga. Que fuera perro.